Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you read in the title above, today is Snowstorm Part 3. So let's begin the video. So, for the past about 3 days, it has been snowing. If you guys haven't seen the videos that I've been uploading, I crashed into the trampoline, sliding down the hill 2022, and Snowstorm Part 2. I will have those videos linked in the description down below. But today is Snowstorm Part 3, and the snow is like going everywhere. They've salted the roads about 3 or 4 times now and scraped them, and it's covered back up with snow. So it's snowing. So it's not a snowstorm. Basically, it's a blizzard of 2022. So I'm going to show you what the outside of the house looks like right now. Also, I want to show you the front of the house. So the road is completely covered, and like the snow is piling up to the bushes that are actually in the front yard. So okay, so as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I crashed into the trampoline and that we were sledding down the hill. So I'm actually looking at the backyard camera right now, and it has snowed so much that it actually covered up the entire, like everything, like, because we completely played over there and back there, and it has completely covered it all back up. We lost power yesterday, so hopefully we don't lose it again today. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to actually go outside and measure how much snow we actually have, because I'm so curious, and I'm sure you guys are curious to see how much we're actually going to be getting, well, actually that we have outside right now. It is so... Okay, so we have, so I'm going to do it in, so we have about 4 inches of snow, and look at this. Look at this. It is so snowy out here and cold. So when I went to go measure how much snow is outside, that actually is not like a it's like on a hill, so it's not completely flat. That's the word I'm trying to get. Probably more than 4 inches outside, but like I said, it was not a flat surface. But this is actually what it looks like out here. So there is so much snow outside. The road has been like plowed so many times. Whoops. And it is like so snowy. And now, okay, there we go. You can see the bushes moving and stuff. But like when I went to go open that door over there, I couldn't hardly get it open because the snow was like completely at the door. But that's what it looks like out here. I figured I'd film like a different spot instead of the same. But this is crazy. Okay, so you guys, a scraper just came up the road for about the 7th, 8th, maybe even 9th time. I'm not even exaggerating. They've came up so many times. It's probably been about 9 times they've actually went up our road, and you can't. I mean, you can tell. I'm gonna open my window. You can tell, but oh my, it's so cold. But like, all it does is that, and then where it's snowing more, it just covers it back up. But that's what it looks like outside right now. And look, it's actually on my window too. It's funny. But it's so windy. Alright, you guys, it's been about a few hours later, and it's still snowing a lot. I was sitting on my iPad. And it's coming down pretty good now, so I'm going to show you guys. And if you look actually right at the table, so see if I can get it to look at how much snow is on the table. There is so much. I've been hearing like scrapers, I guess that's what that is. And like, it is just coming down. I mean, there's like a lot on the fence too. It's very nice to see snow because we've not seen it much, but this is a lot. Alright, you guys, so I'm outside and I'm gonna measure and see how much snow we got. Alright, so, oh my, it's so cold. So, it looks like we got, I don't know if it's focusing, but we got about 5 inches. But look at this. Like, alright, so you guys seen that I measured again, so it's probably about 3 hours later, so we're up to like 5 inches of snow now. So we basically got about 5.5 inches of snow. I don't think I pushed the what's it called, measuring stick tape, whatever it's called, I can't think, because there's like ice and stuff, and I was just trying to do it quick because it was freezing outside. So I'm just going to round it up, and I'm going to just say that we have 5.5 inches of snow outside right now. So it's been a few hours later. I just came out from outside sledding, and whew, it is cold. Woo! It has snowed so much more than the last time I had videoed or filmed myself. I remeasured. We have about 14 inches of snow, and it is crazy outside. Just look. So look at it. It is crazy. Like, there's so much, but I was outside, so I actually got an accurate how much snow we actually got. So we got a lot.
what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion is gone.
If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can go to my Instagram page. It's going to be linked in the description down below. And I guess I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!